Maybe this year I'll get to sit at the grown-ups table. All aboard the Perspective Railroad.
Look at me now! I'm somebody!
Arr, you'll never get me treasure without the map. I wonder what would happen if we mixed these together. What a tangled web we weave. What's your favorite book? What's the world's tallest building? The library, because it has the most stories.
Hey! Let's make a puppet!
Lang syne, my dear, for auld lang syne. We'll take a cup of kindness yet for auld lang